to YouTube.
Go. Hey Luna, you want to sing for us? You're really good at swinging. I love you.
I love you too.
Aw, thank you. You're so sweet. How old are you?
5.
When's your birthday?
Winter solstice.
The winter solstice. Yay.
2016.
2016. Yeah. How old are you going to be?
What?
How old are you going to be on winter solstice?
6.
6. So, what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Wainwright and Miss Katie.
Yay.
And my pre-K teacher was Miss Hardy. I don't remember the last one.
Oh. Miss Hardy.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I still know my kindergarten teachers.
Yeah.
And make sure to send this video to YouTube.
Yep.
Move before I stab you.
Move before you stab me. Don't stab Mommy.
Just kidding. It was just from Kirby Forgot the Land. It was from Kirby Forgot the Land.
So tell us about your family. Who do you live with?
So I'm cute and I'm Luna and Pandora's cute and
Who's Pandora?
so Pandora is like 7 years old and
She's 7. Is she your sister?
yes.
Oh. Who else do you live with?
My mom named Kay.
Kay, your mom.
Yeah.
And?
My dad named James.
You live with your daddy named James. And who else?
My brother Damien.
Your brother Damien.
And that's all in my family.
That's your family.
Dad, do you want to see me on the playground?
Let's go on the playground.
If it's open, but not this year.
The playground's not open this year?
No, it's getting dark.
Oh.
So it's closing.
Okay.
So that's why we can't go there.
Yeah, we better go in. It's dark. Good night, Moon.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Send it to YouTube. Mom.
Send it to YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. Yeah.
Tomorrow we can make a video of me playing on my castle tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodnight.
Good night, everybody.